Now landslide, write the definition of landslide. Landslide is a sudden movement of masses of rock, earth or debris with the force of their own weight. They have given the image also here, and it very often it happens. कहाँ पर होता है landslide सबसे ज़्यादा? Mountain areas like उत्तराखंड वगैरह में भी अभी देखा है. मसूरी, उत्तराखंड ऊपर की तरफ जाओ, ऋषिकेश वगैरह में, then very often the scene is there. So write down what is landslide. Secondly, you have to write down in which area it is very common. So first will be this is your definition you are explaining, and then you will be writing area or region. Now these also take place in the areas where activities like surface excavation for highways. अभी पहाड़ों पे बहुत सारे टनल बन रहे हैं, बहुत सारी रेलवे लाइंस डाली जा रही है, रेलवे ट्रैक्स बन रहे हैं, नए नए रूट्स बन रहे हैं. तो जब वहां पर खुदाई होती है या कुछ इस तरह का काम होता है, ड्रिलिंग वगैरह होती है, then what happened to the earth? What happens to the earth then when the drilling is there? Nothing. जो वो इंटैक्ट है उनमें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं आएगी. It is loosened. No. And then what happened? Then there is a scene of landslide. In China they are saying China में mining areas है, वहाँ पर बहुत है, but India में भी अक्सर आपको अभी जब बारिश होगी, इसके अलावा भी जब ड्रिलिंग होती है, माइनिंग होती है, जब लद्दाख वगैरह का बाईपास बन रहा था ऊपर, then also तो that is the reason of landslide. Landslides are a major natural disaster in the Himalaya. अब इंडिया में कहाँ होता है, प्लीज इसको मार्क कर लो, because in the map we will be marking this. So your heading will be in India. When we are talking about in India, Himalayas, Western Ghats, Northeastern region, Purvanchal, here there is landslide. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा है, व्हाट इज लैंडस्लाइड, किन एरिया में होता है लैंडस्लाइड, इंडिया में कहां पर होता है लैंडस्लाइड.
वेस्टर्न घाट्स कौन सी होती है?
आप मैप करो, ईस्टर्न घाट्स और वेस्टर्न घाट्स कौन हुए हमारे, जब मैप वहां बनाओगे तो
गुजरात और पूरा साउथ का.
Now what are the warning? Who will read warning? No.
Landslides occur due to many resources. They may take place because of heavy rains in three areas: heavy snowfall due to earthquakes, flood, and volcanoes. Therefore, most of the landslides occur without any prior warning. Sometimes they occur gradually and can be noticed in advance. There is no clearly established warning system in place to indicate occurrence of landslides. Hence, prediction of landslides is difficult.
Yes. So again here there are many reasons. So what are the reasons? Please, they have given again the reason over here. See the reason what they have given. Heavy rainfall in hilly areas and heavy snowfall, earthquake, floods, volcanoes they have given. These are the reasons. Now these are the reasons. Again, when the earthquake is unpredictable, how can we predict the landslide? So landslide is also not predictable. ये कभी भी कहीं भी हो सकती है on these particular region. कहीं भी मतलब समुद्र में नहीं हो सकती है, कहीं भी मतलब जिनका particular region है वहां पर.
मैम एक
Yes. This was done or after it has come?
What is the structure? Meditation.
It is the same only. Now structural mitigation they are talking about main mitigation strategies. अब इसके लिए भी हमारे पास स्ट्रेटेजी है. अगर कोई डिजास्टर है तो हमें उसका प्रिकॉशन लेना ही पड़ेगा. अगेन आपका आ जाएगा, वो हमने अर्थक्वेक के लिए पूछा था. नाउ दिस इज फॉर द लैंडस्लाइड. रीड द हेडिंग. हु विल रीड द हेडिंग? Only headings.
Drainage corrections, engineered structures, retaining walls, or like
Mitigation strategy. Go through it on your own and then explain me. Now it's your turn. Both of you will explain these 4 points. Last one. First के 2 ये समझा देगा, next 2 क्या होता है? Quickly.
Yes.
And rest of you please go through it. क्या होता है ये? How it has to be? This point is important. Building bylaws and codes. It is the duty of Indian Meteorological Department कि जिस particular belt में, the belt which is very risky in the matter of earthquake or landslides, they should be a proper mapping, they should be proper zones, it should be marked, ताकि वहां पे जो लोग घर या तो ना बनाएं, और अगर बना रहे हैं तो what the things, what precautions should they be taken by them.
हाँ बट ये तो यूजुअली होता ही नहीं है. लोग ब्राइब ऑफर कर देते हैं और फिर वो जो चीज ऑप्शन
We are not dealing in the judicial class. Okay, we are talking about what is given in the book right now. For that only you people have to grow and reach that position. Then you can fight for what is right is. That is why you people are getting the education. If you can see so many flaws in the system, it is not necessary that every time we are pinpointing and finding out the flaws. That is quite easy. Work hard, reach that position and try to change the system. Then only what you want, what you are expecting, it can be achieved. That is only the way. So building bylaws, क्या बोलो? किसको बोलना है?
I'm saw in social media there's a thing going that some youth are going against the CGI of India as he said something about youths. He said like youths are.
Come to the next.
आज तक डिबेट करते हैं. मजा आ रहा है. अपनी बुराई सुनते हैं वैसे.
नहीं, this is not burai. This is not burai at all. Give the heading avalanches. Again, what are avalanche? What do you mean by avalanche? Write down without playing.
We did not write for the non-specification.
Yes ma'am.
Please write down what are avalanches and how they are triggered. Again, the heading in the center, avalanche.
Ma'am, what is the meaning of the word avalanche?
Avalanche is when means they are flowing in a very speed.
and suddenly rapids of snow and ice.
Okay, now right here. It is a natural, most dangerous natural hazard in mountain region. This is snow ice, snow rocks. They are melting and they are moving in a very high speed, and they are triggered by human activities. Human are mostly the cause of all the disasters. So avalanches can occur naturally or by triggered by human activities such as skiing, snowmobiling, construction.
Now what is snowmobiling?
Snowmobiling is snow is mobilizing from one place to another. It is moving slowly. Only the small points that is triggered by skiing, snowmobiling, construction. And when you see people are going to Kedarnath, Uttaranchal, how much stuff they are carrying with them. And so much waste they are depositing over there. So that is also creating a warming over there, means a very, unfavorable environment for these regions.
मैम बट उधर जैसे जो एरियाज है जहाँ पे
So what is written after mount? Second line.
Second line, mountain slope. Mountain slope. And now they have given the causes. See the causes of avalanche. All are these causes. So give the heading. Causes of avalanche. These are the causes of avalanche. Heavy snowfall. Number 2, weak snow layer.
Heavy. Temperature change.
Temperature changes. Then steep slopes. Avalanches are most common on the slopes between 30 to 45 degrees where gravity can easily pull the snow downward. Then human activities. So many vehicles are going. Constructions are being there. Mountaineers are there. Then earthquake and vibration. When there is a vibration or there is an earthquake, automatically what you are asking, that snow mobilizing. Snow mobilize. It moves from one place to another and start shifting downwards. So these are the 6 basic reasons of avalanche or causes of avalanche. No, all the 6 you have to write. Rest people can explain. Explanation is not an issue for you. Now again the mitigation, strategies for mitigation. Mitigation, what is the term? Mitigation means precaution. Strategies for precaution. How to take the precaution? Number 1, monitoring and early warning system. So a regular observation should be there of snow condition. What is the snow condition? Weather forecast. Then controlled avalanches. They can trigger, authorities sometimes deliberately trigger small avalanches. What does it mean, controlled avalanches? See, sometimes it happens when the snow is gathered at one place, so they trigger that way कि वो जो है इससे पहले कि वो बहुत बड़ा बन जाए, ग्लेशियर या बहुत बड़ा डिजास्टर बन जाए, उसको ट्रिगर करते हैं, वहीं पर उसको वो डिफ्यूज कर देते हैं या वहीं उसको मेल्ट डाउन कर लेते हैं ताकि वो डेंजरस स्नो मास में कन्वर्ट ना हो पाए, उसको ब्रेक कर देते हैं प्रोटेक्शनली कंट्रोल करने के लिए. प्रोटेक्टिव स्ट्रक्चर्स क्या है? कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ स्नो फेंसेस. अगेन एज वी हैव डन फॉर द लैंडस्लाइड्स की वॉल बना दी गई थी. सेम ईयर कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ स्नो फेंसेस, रिटेनिंग वॉल्स, एवलांच बैरियर्स, दूर दूर बैरियर्स बना देना ताकि वो आके एक जगह रुक जाए. लैंड यूज प्लानिंग. तो यहाँ पर लैंड यूज प्लानिंग का सबसे बड़ा मतलब ये है कि नाउ मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम जो हमारा डेवलपमेंट किसी भी कंट्री का होता है, they mostly focus to develop the road, the tracks, the railways and other systems. कई बार तो हेलीपैड्स वगैरह भी वहां बनते हैं और है भी. जब केदारनाथ में हुआ था वहां से लोगों को बचाने के लिए आपने देखा होगा एक छोटा सा हेलीपैड था. अगर इसका वीडियोस वगैरह देखोगे उसमें दिखाया जाएगा. तो वहां पे जो एवलांच की रिस्क को मिनिमाइज करने के लिए इसका एक्सपोजर भी मिनिमाइज करना चाहिए. वहां पे जितना ज्यादा कंस्ट्रक्शन आप रोकोगे, जितना ज्यादा ट्रैवलिंग वहां पर रोकोगे, वी विल बी एबल टू सेव दैट प्लेस, बिकॉज गर्मी से ही वो पिघलते हैं अर्थक्वेक से. डन? यस. एनीबॉडी लेफ्ट? डन? ये याद होना चाहिए. स्ट्रेटेजीज ऑफ मिटिगेशन यू शुड नो. व्हाट आर द स्ट्रेटेजीज? टू प्लांट मोर एंड मोर ट्रीज, पब्लिक अवेयरनेस एंड ट्रेनिंग. नाउ आफ्टर दैट आई थिंक दिस इज द लास्ट वन, GLOF, glacial lake outburst flood.
Before you wait, 6 to 8.
So what are GLOF?
Glaciers. Glacier lake outburst flood.
Please write the full form. The glacial lake outburst flood. It is a sudden massive release of water.
नहीं मैम ये आपने नहीं किया.
Now this is the most dangerous natural hazard in mountainous region.
इसके बाद तो हम डस्ट स्टॉर्म आएंगे.
Himalayas, Andes and other glacier areas. Then it is due to the rising global temperature. Accelerating glacier melt. Whatever is underlined, that much is important. You should mention in your notebook. It is a massive release of water from the glacier lake. Now, what are the causes? Again, see the causes. See the causes. What are the causes? Just go through the causes. Again, the causes are more or less same. Here's the heading. Causes of GLOF. Number 1, melting of glacier. अपनी कॉपी में ध्यान देना है हमें. Melting of glaciers. GLOF लिख लिया, फिर causes लिख लो सीधे. Melting of glacier, weak moraine dams. Moraine dams means जो मोरेन के डैम्स बनते हैं, जो रॉक्स वगैरह, पेबल्स वगैरह से बने होते हैं, so they are the weak one. They also come. Ice avalanches or landslides, earthquakes, heavy rainfall, rapid snowmelt. Basically, in this chapter, we are talking about disaster, type of disaster, impact and precaution. That's it. और आपकी जितने भी चीजें हैं, whatever you are talking about, whether it is avalanche, dust storm or landslide, it is available everywhere. From wherever you want, you can study what is this, what is the impact, and what are the precautionary measures to be taken. Then comes the strategies. Again, more or less the strategies are same. Regular monitoring, warning system, controlled drainage. When the avalanche or the glacier or the heavy melting is coming down, it should have a path. होता क्या है, लोग नदियों में भी घर बना लेते हैं जब वो सूख जाती है, उसके अगल बगल घर बना लिया. वो जो बारिश पहला जो पानी आता है वो सूखा पड़ा हुआ है वहां पे बना लिया. यही केदारनाथ में हुआ था. उन्होंने जो भी नदी का जो रास्ता था, जो पानी का रास्ता था, जब बहुत दिनों तक मेल्टिंग नहीं होती है, वो जगह ड्राई हो जाती है. अपने स्टॉल लगा लेते हैं, दुकानें लगा ली, लकड़ी के अपने घर बना लिए. एंड देन अगेन जब एवलांच होता है तो नदी तो अपना रास्ता पकड़ेगी. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स डाउन, देन अगेन डिजास्टर इज देयर. Strengthening natural dams. Land use planning again. It should be done by the meteorological department. That what construction you should do the construction or not. Precautionary measures should be taken. Awareness should be within the public. What should be done if something happens, and they should be prepared in advance. If you are living in that particular zone, in particular region, then you have to be mentally prepared and physically prepared what to be done and how to be done. अगर आप प्रिपेयर नहीं होंगे तो कोई भी डिजास्टर आएगा, you will not be able to come out from it. Done this much?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Those who have done, please go through it. बाकी जब तक कर रहे हैं. So dust storm. Dust storm are severe environmental disaster that occur when strong winds lift large amount of dust and sand from dry bare soil into the atmosphere. They reduce visibility and severe affecting human life, agriculture, infrastructure. Write down. What is dust storm? Please write down. Dust storm are severe environmental disaster. Health risks are caused due to dust storm. The patients which are having infection, which are having lung problem, they are very much affected with the dust storm. And next is the causes.
जो ऐसा बोल रहे हो कि कई लोग डस्ट स्टॉर्म्स की वजह से भी होता है.
Now quickly, 7 points are there. Naturally prolonged drought, then high temperature, strong winds, then vegetation covering the region, then excessive land clearing, poor agriculture practice, increasing temperature, altering rainfall pattern. These all are the reasons of dust storm. Write down all the points, then there will be mitigation strategies.
Yes, ma'am.
6:45. Should I remove this now?
Yes,
No, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
हमारी तो extra classes में.
Yes, wasted 10 minutes.
Ma'am, yes, ये
Higher mitigation strategies. Write any 3 strategies from here. Mitigation strategies to handle dust storm, any 3. Go through it and write any 3. You will give the heading mitigation strategies for dust storm and write any 3. The easiest one which everybody can write. Promote it. Afforestation and reforestation program should be promoted. Next, sustainable land management, crop rotation.
Ma'am, written 3.
Then, government should implement early warning system and improve weather forecasting to alert community in advance.
Ma'am, public awareness.
Right, public awareness.
Ma'am, बस.
Ma'am, मैं तो ऐसे ही नहीं हंसना क्या होता है.
Then exercise you will be doing on your own. Then we will